trying to get this heart, and child, it was stressful. It was stressful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be using these pressonnails, I believe that's the name, to create another Pinterest set that I found. These nails, they come with 504 pieces. They are extra long and square, and they are not curved. I like the shape, so I'm not going to do too much of filing. Next, I'm going to just size my nails and just make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall. These nails do run a little big, but you can just file the size to make it fit. Now we are going to use that little sticky tack and put our nails on our nail stand so we can go ahead and start filing and shaping. We are going to choose a file. I got these files, one from Family Dollar, and then the other came with a set of polishes that I bought. I like to use one file to shape the nail and then the other file to buff the nail. One is not as rough as the other. So here I'm just showing you guys that little shiny portion that still needs to be buffed. You don't want any of that because the polish will not stick. And you definitely want to dust off any particles from the filing so it won't get into your polish and make little clumps and everything, and I have a smooth surface. So I'm going to finish going ahead and filing the rest of these nails off camera, and I'll be right back. And I also like to wipe it down with alcohol just to remove extra dust particles from filing. Okay, so TikTok made me buy these little tiny polishes that I am not happy about. The size is really small, but it comes with the base coat, so we're going to take it and, just do one layer of your base coat on all your nails and cure for 30 to 60 seconds. So of course we found a set from Pinterest, and here it is. So cute. So these are the two colors that I like from the set. I like all the colors. Now don't get me wrong. The polish, the size of the bottles are super small, but the colors are so pretty. So I chose those two colors, and I'm going to go in with one coat, a thin layer on each nail, and then I'm going to cure for 30 to 60 seconds. I really do 60 seconds every time I cure, sometimes longer. My UV light has like a 99-second option, so sometimes I use that when I put my top coat on. Right, so we are going to go ahead and cure those after we put our first coat on, and look at that, so cute and shiny. I will link the products that I use down below in the description box if you want to like to purchase them and make your own set. But yeah, y'all, we are going in with the second coat. I'm getting excited because they're going to be so cute. But yeah, you're going in with your second coat and, just cure. And I do want to mention, if you would like the color to be more darker or more vibrant, you want to go in with more coats. But each coat that you do has to be completely like thin, because when you cure it, it's going to start to wrinkle. Okay, after we cure that, us beginners need our nail guides. So I found these hearts on Amazon, and I'm just going to lay them and place them where I like it, not necessarily according to the picture. And then these are going to be, full hearts. They're not going to be open like the picture. You'll see. But yeah, just place some, and then you're going to choose the palette. I chose the darker pink, and just paint inside the lines, just like color. After you paint them, you don't want to cure it, because if you mess up underneath the sticker, you won't be able to, clean it up. So here I took the sticker off, and I'm just going to clean up the sides. And no, they are not perfect, but they are cute. Look at that. So I'm going to be using these little stones from Amazon for the heart, and it's dyed into everything that's from Amazon too. But I'm just making sure and reverting back to the picture. And don't ask me what I'm doing right here. It's base coat, but I gotta find some good nail glue. So if y'all know any nail glue, y'all could just link that in the comments or let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm just trying to get this heart, and child, it was stressful. It was stressful, but I got it to my liking, and it came out so cute. You will see. Just give me a minute. I got these little crystals that I always get when I go to the nail salon, and I love them. They are so cute. Isn't that so cute? So I just use my hands to pat them in, and there are like spaces where it didn't take, but I used like extra rhinestones and filled it in, and I just cured that for 60 seconds. Now we're going to on our top coat because we are done, and I'm going to cure that again.